French aircraft carrier Charles-de-Gaulle and its subcommittee were to be stationed off the island of Cyprus in the Mediterranean. The aircraft carrier and its companion can join the Mediterranean, an area that allows aircraft to carry out air police, intelligence, and intelligence operations on aircraft carrier. These planes will fly north from Romania that they would have the ability to observe and prevent. The French aircraft carrier set sail in early February to take part in the war against Daesh in Syria and Iraq.